Welcome to Lakshman Biology. Now we have to discuss about the sex determination. Sex determination meaning identification of sex of individual. Is it male or is it female? If you see the unisexual organisms, unisexual organisms exhibit two types of sex, that is male or female. Identification of that sex of individual is called sex determination. We can determine the sex of individual by the different ways. Number one is chromosomal theory of sex determination. In your NCERT only chromosomal theory of sex determination is there. Next, apart from that, we can determine the sex of individual by genetic balance theory also. By genetic balance theory also, based on number of autosomes for number of allosomes also we can determine the sex of individual, that is called genetic balance theory of sex determination. It is not there in NCERT, it is exclusively for competitive exams. Next, haplodiploid type of sex determination. This haplodiploid type of sex determination also present in NCERT. Haplodiploid type of sex determination means, see, based on the haploid or diploid nature of chromosomes, we can determine the sex of individual. Example, if you see the honeybees, if 32 chromosomes are present in honeybee, means in diploid number of chromosomes in honeybee is 32. If 32 chromosomes are there, which become into female. If half means haploid chromosomes are there, means 16 chromosomes are there, that become into an male. That is about the haplodiploid type of sex determination that we can see in honeybees. Okay, one by one we have to discuss. First, we have to discuss about the chromosomal theory of sex determination. After completion of chromosomal theory of sex determination, we have to see about the genetic balance theory of sex determination. After the completion of genetic balance theory, we should discuss about the haplodiploid type of sex determination. Okay, first we will start with the chromosomal theory of sex determination. Chromosomal theory of sex determination. If you see in chromosomal theory of sex determination, we have to identify, or we can identify sex of individual based on the sex chromosomes. If you are identify the individual sex of individual based on the sex chromosomes or allosomes, that type of sex determination is called chromosomal theory of sex determination. Example, if you see the human beings, male contain XY sex chromosomes and female contain XX sex chromosomes. If XY chromosomes are there, we can identify that individual is a male. If XX chromosomes are there, we can identify that individual is a female. That is one example for chromosomal theory of sex determination. What is the chromosomal theory of sex determination? Identification of sex of individual. Identification. What identification? Identification of sex of individual. Identification of sex of individual based on sex chromosomes. Based on sex chromosomes is called chromosomal theory of sex determination. Before going to see about the complete details of chromosomal theory of sex determination, we should discuss about the what is the sex chromosome and what is the autosome. What are the different types of chromosomes which are present in the organisms? When you identify or when you understand complete details of chromosomes, then only we can understood about the chromosomal theory of sex determination. Okay. See, if you see the individuals, they mainly contain two types of chromosomes. What is a chromosome? Chromosomes are thread-like structures which carry the genes for transfer of characters from one generation to another generation. If you see the chromosomes, chromosomes are mainly divided into two types, that are autosomes. Autosomes means the chromosomes which are maintain the somatic characters or body character, color, size, shape of organism. Next, allosomes also called as sex chromosomes. What are the allosomes? The chromosomes which are determine the sex of individual is called allosomes. They will determine the sex of individual based on type of allosomes or type of sex chromosomes. We can determine the sex of individual. If you take human beings as example for explanation of autosomes and allosomes, human beings has 22 pairs of autosomes, and one pair of allosomes are present in human beings. That one pair is XX in females, or if you see males contain XY as sex chromosomes. Who identified the X chromosome? X chromosome or X body identified by the Henking, and he given name X body to the X chromosome. While doing research on spermatogenesis of insects, he identified the structure that is called X body. Then he also identified that 50% gametes contain X chromosome and another 50% gametes are not contain X chromosome. Okay, after the Henking, other scientists give the name X chromosome to the X body, but the name X body is given by the Henking. That is about the identification of X chromosome. Then after that, if you see autosomes number of autosomes are if you see the autosomes, number of autosomes are change in lot of organisms. Human beings has one number of autosomes, and butterflies has another number of autosomes, and the birds has another number of autosomes. Okay, number of autosomes are various in different types of organisms. But if you see the number of allosomes, the number of allosomes are mostly same, not same, mostly same in all individuals. It may be 2, okay, or one pair or 2 allosomes or sex chromosomes are present in mostly different types of organisms or different types of animals. That is about the autosomes and allosomes and basic details of sex chromosomes. If you are understand about the basic details of sex chromosomes, we will go to see about chromosomal theory of sex determination. Okay, then okay, another point also I have discussed here before going to see about chromosomal theory of inheritance. See, if you see the human males contain XY sex chromosomes and human females contain XX sex chromosomes. If you see the males produce 2 types of gametes or 2 types of sperms. 50% sperms are with X chromosome, another 50% of sperms are with Y chromosome, and females will produce similar type of gametes. All gametes or all ovumes are contain X chromosome only. Here the organism which will produce different gametes like human male the organism which will produce different gametes like human male is called heterogamatic organism. Heterogamatic organism. The organism which will produce similar gametes are called homogamatic organism. Homogamatic organism. Homogamatic organism means the organism which will produce similar gametes like human female. Heterogamatic organism means the organism which will produce different gametes like human male. That is the difference between homogamatic organism and heterogamatic organism. Homogametes. Here homogamatic organism we have discussed. What is the homogametes or what are the homogametes? Similar gametes. Homogametes are nothing but homo means similar. Homogametes means similar gametes. Heterogametes, dissimilar gametes. If you see the sperms which are produced from the male, that are two different types. 50% sperms contain X chromosome, another 50% sperms contain Y chromosome. Hence two different gametes. Those are called heterogametes. Organism which will produce different gametes are called heterogamatic organisms. The gametes, heterogametes are different gametes which are produced by the heterogamatic organism is called heterogametes. That is the difference between homogamatic and heterogamatic. If you see the human males, if you see the in human beings, males are heterogamatic and females are homogamatic. Why? Because males will produce two different gametes, hence males are heterogamatic. The two different gametes which are produced from the males are called heterogametes. Then female human beings are called homogamatic. Why? Because they will produce similar type of gametes. The gametes which are produced by the female human beings are called homogametes. Okay, but if you see another animals, they may contain female heterogamatic. In humans, females are heterogamatic, but if you see other animals, there may be female is heterogamatic, male is homogamatic. Okay, based on that, the sex determination of chromosomes or chromosomal theory of sex determination divided into two types. That is, see, this is sex determination. The sex determination of chromosomes, chromosomal theory of sex determination divided into two types. That is male heterogamatic. In male heterogamatic type of sex determination, male produce heterogametes, female produce homogametes. Male is heterogamatic, female is homogamatic. Next, second type of sex determination is female heterogamatic. Female heterogamatic. Female heterogamatic means female is heterogamatic organism, means female produce different types of gametes. Male is homogamatic, means male produce similar type of gametes. That is the two types of sex determination, that is male heterogamatic sex determination and female heterogamatic sex determination. Then male heterogamatic sex determination also, male heterogamatic sex determination also divided into two types. That is number one is XX/XO type of sex determination. Number two is XXXY type of sex determination. Then if you see the female heterogamatic type of sex determination also divided into two types. That is ZZ type of sex determination, or we can take first ZZ type of sex determination. Here female is heterogamatic, male is homogamatic. Next, ZZ type of sex determination. XXXO type of sex determination, XXXY type of sex determination, ZZ type of sex determination, ZZ type of sex determination. Here we can observe four different types of sex determinations. Okay, in the male heterogamatic we can see the two types of sex determinations. In female heterogamatic we can see the two types of sex determinations. First we have to discuss about the male heterogamatic sex determination. First what we have to discuss? We have to discuss about the male heterogamatic sex determination. Male heterogamatic sex determination. In male heterogamatic sex determination, male produce two different gametes because male is heterogamatic, and female produce similar gametes because female is a homogamatic. Okay, in male heterogamatic sex determination, male is a heterogamatic, comma, female is homogamatic. Female is homogamatic. Understood? Male is heterogamatic, female is homogamatic. First one in male heterogamatic sex determination is XXXO type of sex determination. If you observe XXXO type of sex determination, the male is heterogamatic, female is homogamatic. See here, this is the female. Female contain two X chromosomes and this symbol is for male. Male contain only one X chromosome. Only one X chromosome. Another one is 0. Only one X chromosome is present in the male. If you see female produce similar type of gametes with X chromosome. Then if you see the male produce two different types of gametes. 50% gametes contain X chromosome or 50% sperms contain X chromosome. Another 50% of sperms without X chromosome. Here male produce two different types of gametes. 50% sperms with X chromosome and 50% of sperms without X chromosome. Already we know that during formation of gametes, in homologous chromosomes, only one chromosome is enter into each gamete. Here there is no another X chromosome, hence another sperm not contain X chromosome. If the X chromosome of ovum, if the ovum is mixed with the sperm which contain X chromosome, then we can see the formation of a female in next generation. Means sex determined at syngamy, based on which type of sperm is mixed with the ovum. Here sex determination is based on sperms, not based on ovum. Only one type of ovums are there, two types of sperms are there. If the sperm which contain X chromosome mixed with ovum, then we can see the formation of female. If the sperm without X chromosome combine together with the ovum, which leads to formation of again male. Here female, this is female symbol. Male formation we can see when the sperm which not contain X chromosome mixed with the ovum, then we can see the formation of a male. There is a 50% chances are there to formation of female and 50% chances are there to formation of male. This type of sex determination we can see in grasshopper. Grasshopper is example for the XXXO type of sex determination. Next, XXXY type of sex determination. In XXXY type of sex determination, the female is with two X chromosome, means homogamatic, and male is one X chromosome and one Y chromosome with heterogamatic. Then female produce all similar type of ovums with one X chromosome. Male produce two types of gametes. 50% gametes contain X chromosome and another 50% gametes contain Y chromosome. Meaning of this is 50% sperms contain X chromosome and 50% of sperms contain Y chromosome. Here also sex is determined by the based on male sperms. If the sperm which contain X chromosome mixed with the ovum, then we can see the formation of a female. Female is formed. Then when the sperm which contain Y chromosome mixed with the ovum, then we can see the formation of a male. This type of sex determination we can see in man. That is about the male heterogamatic. After the completion of male heterogamatic, we have to see about the female heterogamatic. Female heterogamatic type of sex determination we have to see. I will rough this, then I will explain. In female heterogamatic type of sex determination, female heterogamatic sex determination. In female heterogamatic sex determination, female is heterogamatic and male is homogamatic. Male is homogamatic, female is heterogamatic. Okay, what are the two types of female heterogamatic sex determinations? That are ZO-ZZ type and ZW-ZZ type. First, we will discuss about the first one, ZO-ZZ type. ZO-ZZ type. In ZO-ZZ type of sex determination, the female is heterogamatic, means which contain two different sex chromosomes. One Z chromosome only there. Z chromosome is sex chromosome in the ZO-ZZ type of sex determination animals like moths, and another Z chromosome is absent. Another sex chromosome is absent. Then if you see the males contain two Z chromosomes, two sex chromosomes. The females will produce two types of ovums, 50% of ovums with Z chromosome, another 50% of ovums without Z chromosome or without sex chromosome. Males produce similar type of sperms, all contain one Z chromosome. Here the sex of offspring determined by type of ovum which mixed with the sperm. If the ovum which not contain Z chromosome mixed with the ovum which leads to formation of a female. When the ovum which contains Z chromosome mixed with the sperm, then we can see the formation of a male. That is about the ZO and ZZ type of sex determination. This type of sex determination we can see in moths. Example. Next, second one is ZW ZZ type of sex determination. In ZW ZZ type of sex determination, female is heterogamatic and male is homogamatic, means female contain two types of sex chromosomes, that are ZW, and the males contain one type of sex chromosomes, that are two Zs. Female produce two types of ovums, 50% of ovums with Z chromosome, another 50% of ovums with the W chromosome. Two types of ovums are formed. But if you see the male produce similar type of sperms with Z chromosome. If here also the sex of offspring determined by type of ovum mixed with the sperm. If the ovum which contains Z chromosome mixed with the sperm which leads to formation of male. Then the ovum which contains W chromosome mixed with the sperm which leads to formation of female. This type of sex determination we can see in the birds, we also can see in the reptiles, this also we can see in the fishes. That are the examples for the ZW ZZ type of sex determination. That is the completion of chromosomal theory of sex determination. Okay, in the chromosomal theory of sex determination, the chromosomes the chromosomes, which chromosomes? Sex chromosomes determine the sex of individual. If organism produce similar type of gametes, that organism is called homogamitic organism. If organism produce different types of gametes, that is called heterogamatic organism. This sex determination of chromosomes is divided into two types, male heterogamatic and female heterogamatic. In male heterogamatic, male is heterogamatic organism. In female heterogamatic, female is heterogamatic organism. Male heterogamatic sex determination is divided into two types, that is XX and XO type, that we can see in moths, that we can see in grasshopper. XXXY type of sex determination we can see in man. Next, female heterogamatic sex determination also divided into two types, ZO and ZZ, ZW and ZZ. ZO ZZ type we can see in moths. ZW ZZ type you can see in reptiles, aves, fishes.